Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from Day to Lala.
Hi guys, so today we are preparing tofu. So what's tofu? Tofu is basically a rich source of protein that is edible by edible by people who have lactose intolerance also. So the plus point of tofu is it's a vegetarian food, so for the vegetarian people it's a very good source of protein what they can include in the diet. And even for the lactose intolerant people, even they can have consume it. So next is that people have that misconception that protein, I mean like the paneer and tofu are same, but it's not same. Paneer contains animal based proteins, whereas tofu contains plant based protein, and also tofu has less fat and calorie count when you compare it to paneer. So without wasting much time, let's go on to the preparation part. So I'll be using this tofu gold. The net weight you can see here, it's 200 grams, and these are the nutrients. I'll be linking I'll be putting the nutrition values in the description below, so you can check it out from there too. So let's get into cooking it. So guys, up next we'll cut a tofu. So I have already cut it. I like my tofu in big size, so I've cut it accordingly. You can cut it how you like it. So next up, we are just going to cook it. So guys, I have set the pan now. We now spread some oil. So next up we'll add some chopped onions. A little chili. Stir it for a while. We also then add around a little bit of finely chopped spinach. And again mix it and stir it. So after a while, when the onion has turned brownish, we add tofu. And stir it. Guys, you can see our tofu is almost ready. So guys, our tofu is ready. Now we'll garnish it on top with a bit of chopped coriander. So here is the tofu. Guys, I haven't added salt because again salt is subjected to taste. So it depends like how much you can add it anytime you want and according to how much you want. So guys, this is our tofu ready. So I'll be putting the nutritional value of this down below.